Here's how to set up a conference call on your mobile phone. First, press the phone app on your mobile phone and enter the number you wish to call. Wait until your call is picked up by another mobile phone. Now, press Add Call icon on the phone and type another mobile number. Number of participants is dependent on the specification of your mobile phone that is used for hosting a conference call. Current participant will be on hold while you are connecting to the other participant. Tip for Globe users. Use this method after you register the Globe promo from the previous video to save your budget for calls. Next, press Merge Calls to create a conference call with participants. Conference call is applicable for Globe Prepaid and Postpaid, Smart Postpaid, Sun Postpaid, and Dito Prepaid in the Philippines. Tell us in the comment section below if you found this helpful and if you have tried it. Share, like, and tell your friends to subscribe.